The iPhone Air is one of the most surprising phones Apple has made in years. At first glance, it almost seems like a gimmick, a paper-thin iPhone that prioritizes looks over substance. But after spending time with it, I can honestly say this device doesn't feel like a compromise. Apple has delivered pro-level performance, a versatile 48-megapixel camera, and a bright 6.5-inch OLED display, all packed into a body that measures just 5.6mm thin. Yes, there are some trade-offs, mainly around battery life and the absence of an ultra-wide lens, but overall, this phone represents a bold new step in Apple's design philosophy. It's a phone you really have to hold in your hand to believe. Here's where things get a little tricky. The iPhone Air promises all-day battery life, but in reality, its endurance is shorter than the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro. iPhone 17 Air rated for 27 hours of video playback. Adaptive Power Mode in iOS 26 helps conserve juice by learning your habits. Components moved into the Flagship camera bump to free up battery space. While Apple also offers a massive battery pack that extends runtime to 40 hours, it slightly defeats the purpose of carrying such a slim and light phone. The iPhone Air is more than just Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, it's proof that slim doesn't have to mean weak. With its flagship-level performance, gorgeous design, and versatile camera, the Air could easily be the sweet spot iPhone for people who don't need Pro Max specs but still want something that feels premium. The only real question mark is battery life. If it holds up in real-world testing, this iPhone could be one of Apple's best-selling devices in 2025. It's stylish, it's powerful, and it's the iPhone that's going to turn heads, not just because it's thin, but because it's genuinely practical.